Okay, hello dear friends. So this video we will do decimal division. So let me give you a number. First, we will do a decimal number divided by a whole number. 0.06 divided by 3. And so when you see this kind of operation, 3 is a whole number without decimal. Nothing will change. Go ahead with it. So first number, we do not change. Honestly doing it. 0 divided by 3 is 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the result is 0.02. If we write it down, 0.06 divided by 3. So the first one is 0 in the ones because there is 0, 3 inside 0. In 0, how many 3 you have? You have 0, right? Keep on and honestly write down the decimal point. Always align a decimal point. Okay, and here is still 0. And here you put this one down, 6. How many 3 inside 6? There are 2, right? 2 times 3, 3 times 2 is 6. So it's 0. So this is the way of doing it. Okay, now how about the second one? So any number divided by a whole number, the divisor is a whole number. You do not change. Honestly, go ahead, proceed. The second scenario is a whole number. Maybe I will write down this question is number 2. This way, when you have any question or you have any correction to make, you can mention number 2. Number 2 is a whole number divided by a decimal number. For example, 6 divided by 0.002. It looks complicated, but whenever you see these kind of things, first I will tell you the method. See how many decimal points here, how many place value behind decimal point, how many decimal place, 1 decimal place, 2, 3, 3 decimal place. So you want to change this into a whole number. You can change this into 6. 1, 2, 3, add 3 place, divided by 2, and equal to 3,000. Why do I do this? If I change into another expression, which is a fraction expression, you will easily see it. So still the same thing, I copy it again. 6 divided by 0.002. 6, I copy it. 6 divided by 0.002. This is a tenth, hundredth, thousandth. 3 decimal place, so it's in the thousandth place. 2 over 1,000. Another thing we know that 6 is actually 6 over 1, right? And when you divide a fraction, it equal to multiply its reciprocal. So we flip it over. Times bottom up, up down, upside down, bottom up. 1,000, put it on top. Why did I do this? Because I changed the sign. And 2 put on the bottom. Now we can do it, right? 6 and 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. You can do either cross cancel or finally cancel it. Both divided by 2, because it's canceling each other. I do not need to write this divided by 2. So this one becomes 1, this becomes 3. So the result is 3,000. Make sense? Because it's in the thousands place. So you divide by 1,000, which equals to time 1,000 and divide by this number. So we will do another one like this, a whole number divided by a decimal. Okay, this number, question number 3, 59 divided by 0.005. So what do we do? 1, 2, 3, count. 1, 2, 3, 3 decimal place. And we want to change into a whole number. Then we need to give 3 decimal place into 59. So 5, 9, 1, 2, 3, add 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, divided by a whole number 5. This we can do. 5 divided by 5. 1, and 9 divided 40, 118. 118, 0, 0. If you do not believe me, I will write the long division, because I do this all the time, so kind of knowing it. $1.5 得5 40 5.8 40 0, 0, copy it down. Because decimal point is here, we do not need to write, right? So the question number 4, we will do a decimal divided by another decimal. 0.0068 divided by 0.04. So what do we do? First number, we do not, let's count. Let's count the first number. The first number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 decimal place. And the second number, 1, 2, 2 decimal place, 4 decimal place. Because it's a division, so you minus. And you move the first one to 2 decimal place to the right. So it becomes 1, 2. To consume these 2. 1, 2. So 0.68 divided by 4 equal to 0.17. Does it make sense? Number 5. 0.036 divided by 0.9. 1 decimal place, 1 decimal place, dividing, give it here. 1, 3, so this becomes 2. 3, 6. You move 1 decimal place to the right. Divided by 9 equal to 0.04. Make sense? Okay. This will cover mostly the scenario. Now I will explain this one. Number 5, 0.036 divided by 0.9. We change into a fraction method. So this is to the thousands, 36 over 1,000. right? Because it's 3 decimal place divided by 9. This is in the tens, 9 over 10. And then we are not comfortable. I am not comfortable to do division, fraction division. I'm more comfortable to flip it over. I will write it down. 36, 1000 times bottom up, upside down. So there is 1 0, 1 0, cut it off because this is cross cancel. And 36 and 9 both divided by 9. This is 4. This is 1. So it becomes 4. On top is 4. On bottom is 100. Is 0.04 because it's hundreds. 2 decimal place. 1, 2. And which is the same as this one. Make sense? So math. 1 is calculation. 1 is remembering. But the core is understanding. When you understand the way of doing it, understand the reason, the fraction form behind it, you can do all this becomes easy and simple. Thank you very, very much.